Alright, so I'm going to show you how to disassemble the haptic feedback assembly and take the trigger off a PS5 model BDM-030 controller. So to start, you got 4 screws holding the cover in. You're going to want to take all 4 of those out. And this last one here, this is also one of the screws that holds the internal frame onto the front case. So if you were just trying to remove the frame, you'd need to take that one out. Then the cover just pops off. Sometimes the haptic gear comes off, but if it doesn't come all the way off, just grab tweezers, pull that off, come in with some pliers, take your bar out, and then the trigger just comes right off. If you want to take the whole rest of the assembly out here, it just pops out. There's nothing else holding it back on. If you need to change the motor assembly or that, you don't really ever need to change those, but then to reassemble it, rotate this all the way as far forward as it'll go. Take your trigger, it just rocks back in place. There's a little notch that the spring will fall into. And take your little bar, get that back in. When you're putting your haptic gear back in, you want the top of it here to be right under there when it's all the way down. So you want to snap it in just like that, and that'll let you have it lined up properly. And just pop your cover back on. It just snaps right back on, and there you go. Just put your screws back in. So that's not something you really need to do too often unless you're wanting to put a different trigger, if you want a different colored trigger or something on there, or if you need to replace your contact sheet here for your buttons because your buttons aren't working. So I hope this video helped you. Stay tuned for more repair videos.